Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to track expenses in EveryDollar, the budgeting app that's a game changer for managing your money. If you're tired of wondering where your cash goes each month, you're in the right place. EveryDollar, created by Dave Ramsey, is a simple tool that helps you track every penny, build budgets, and stay on top of your finances. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign up. Head to the EveryDollar website or download the app from your phone's store. It's free to start, and you'll just need to create an account with your email. Once you're in, take a moment to set up your budget. EveryDollar makes this easy. Input your monthly income at the top, then list out your expenses in categories like groceries, rent, and entertainment. This gives you a clear picture of where your money should go. Now, for tracking expenses, there are two main ways. If you prefer manual entry, just click the Add Transaction button and input details like the amount, date, and category. It's straightforward and great for building good habits. Or, if you want it automated, link your bank accounts. EveryDollar will import your transactions securely, saving you time and reducing errors. Don't forget to categorize everything. This is key to seeing patterns in your spending. For example, tag that coffee run under dining out to spot where you might be overspending. Regularly review your budget. EveryDollar sends notifications if you're getting close to your limits, so you can adjust on the fly. Tracking your expenses with EveryDollar isn't just about numbers, it's about gaining control and reducing financial stress. Give it a try for a month, and you'll see the difference. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, every dollar counts. See you next time.